calculus finals, STEM club meetings, basketball practice. Oh, and yeah, you're supposedly expected to call your family sometimes too. The crushing weight of a student schedule leaves most of us barely surviving, right? Let alone thriving financially. But look, you still want that financial freedom. You want to be able to buy what you want without having to beg for pocket money. So, in this explainer, we are solving the ultimate dilemma: how to actually achieve financial freedom without sacrificing a single hour of your crucial study time.
I mean, it's the million-dollar question, isn't it? How on earth do you make money when you have literally zero free time? You can't just go out and grab a standard part-time job that demands, 20 hours a week on a rigid schedule? That's just a one-way ticket to complete academic burnout. And this, my friends, is exactly where artificial intelligence steps in. Now, we're not talking about AI as just some trendy buzzword here. We're talking about AI as the ultimate time-buying equalizer for busy students. It is the leverage that lets you cram a week's worth of traditional work into just a few hours right from your dorm room.
Which perfectly brings us to a brilliant piece of advice from self-made millionaire Mark Tilbury. He said, "You don't need to reinvent success. Just recognize the patterns that are already working and make them your own." And honestly, he hit the nail right on the head. We're definitely not going to ask you to go invent the next Google or Facebook today. Instead, we're going to break down proven, highly lucrative systems that are working right now and show you exactly how to replicate them using AI.
So, here's our roadmap for this explainer. 1. The busy student dilemma and high school versus college. 2. The AI tool stack. 3. Scripting versus AI influencers. And 4. Zero to premium freelancer. Let's get into it.
Section 1. High school versus college. Pick your battlefield.
Now you've really got to notice the clear contrast in your immediate surroundings here. If you're in high school, your absolute best bet is low-lift community hustles. For example, one student literally just reached out to a local NGO, a charity run by some lovely but, completely non-tech savvy older folks. They spent maybe 20 minutes a day maintaining their website for $500. That's roughly $50 an hour. Other options are graphic design like Canva posters or basic tutoring. But if you're in college, oh man, you have a captive audience of thousands. You can sell customized campus merch like hoodies and jackets for a 50% profit margin, or, get this, literally sell your highly detailed class notes to underclassmen who are taking the exact same classes you just aced.
But honestly, whether you're in high school or college, there is one specific hustle that's an absolute goldmine: virtual group tutoring. Think about it. Usually students tutor one-on-one for maybe $20 an hour? But as a busy student, your time is your most scarce resource. So the secret here is volume. You teach difficult subjects, we're talking SATs, AP Physics, College Comp Sci, to multiple peers simultaneously over an online platform. You might charge them a little less individually, but collectively, your hourly rate absolutely skyrockets. And the best part? Literally the absolute best part is that you're actively reviewing your own study material while getting paid for it. It's the ultimate student life hack.
Moving on to Section 2, the AI tool stack, buying back your time.
Look, before AI, building an app took months of coding and a whole team. Now, you just use what we call vibe coding tools like Lovable, Emergent, or Replit. You literally just describe your idea, and the AI builds it for you in weeks. What about building highly lucrative voice call agents for local clinics? You only need about 2 to 3 days to learn a tool called Vopi. Or if you need to build 3D AI websites, tools like Emergent, Draftly, or Kaimi can build them in just days. And for commercial-grade video ads, platforms like Nano, Vio 3, and Kling AI are literally replacing entire production crews in about a week. You are compressing years of skill acquisition into just days. It's crazy.
And this brings us to the absolute most crucial rule you have to remember. AI plus a proven business model equals the ultimate cheat code. AI is not a business model all on its own. Nobody is going to pay you just because you know how to log into ChatGPT, right? The secret formula is attaching AI to a proven system. Think of it like this. AI is simply the engine, but the business model, whether that's web design, running ads, or creating software, that's the actual vehicle driving you forward.
Section 3. Scripting versus AI influencers, the heavyweight bout.
Let's really break this comparison down. Freelance script writing is incredible because the tech barrier to entry is literally zero. You don't even need a laptop. You can research and write highly engaging scripts for YouTubers entirely on a cheap smartphone while you're just sitting in the cafeteria between classes. You just need to develop deep research and compelling writing skills. On the flip side, creating AI influencers is a bit more tech-heavy. You've got to master those specialized AI image and video tools we just mentioned. But because you're creating a digital persona that literally never needs to sleep, the scalability is absolutely massive.
Just look at the income potential ceiling for both of these. It's wild. If you become an elite freelance scriptwriter, the payouts are staggering. One top researcher actually revealed they charge enough for a single script to buy 2 or 3 brand new iPhones. Let that sink in. But the AI influencer ceiling? It is practically limitless. Once you build a solid audience, you can secure massive corporate brand deals from major travel companies or finance apps who desperately want to sponsor your digital creator.
But hey, let me stop you right there before you make a classic beginner mistake. Do not try to make those purely visual dance trend AI models. Sure, they might rack up some fake internet points and a bunch of views, but their actual monetization is terrible. Advertisers simply do not want them. The winning niches are the ones that provide genuine value and knowledge. Look at Chloe versus History. She's an AI travel influencer who time travels to different eras for historical vlog content. She gained 500,000 followers in a single month. Or look at Rab Goldman, an AI finance advisor dropping genuine investment advice. High-end brands like Expedia or major fintech companies are literally lining up to sponsor these types of value-driven, knowledge-based digital personas.
Section 4. The Ascension, Zero to Premium Freelancer.
All right, here's your exact actionable roadmap. Step 1, pick one, and I mean literally just one, specific AI tool, like NN for workflow automations or VAPI for voice agents, and spend a week mastering it. Step 2, build a sample portfolio for free. Don't go asking for a job right away. Create a document with 5 viral ideas, or build a cool automated workflow or a slick video edit. Step 3, cold outreach. Slide into the DMs or LinkedIn inboxes of small creators or local businesses. Don't message the million subscriber giants, they already have huge teams. Message the up-and-coming creators who desperately need your help but can't afford a massive agency, and send them your free sample. Finally, step 4, once you land a few clients, productize your service, start outsourcing the smaller tasks, and scale up.
Now, I've got to hit you with a bit of a harsh reality here. Only 16% of people who start trying to make money online ever surpass $50 a month. Why? Because the other 84% suffer from shiny object syndrome. They bounce from idea to idea the second things get a little difficult. Or even worse, the moment they make their first $50, they immediately blow it on a new video game or a night out.
The real secret sauce here is reinvestment. Top earners use their initial profits to buy back their limited time. So, you upgrade your software and AI tool subscriptions so you can work way faster. You invest in targeted marketing and ads to get clients coming directly to you. You pay someone on Fiverr $10 to do the tedious logo design work. And eventually, you transition into a middleman agency model. You find the clients, you hire other students to actually fulfill the work, and you take a cool 30% margin. You transition from being a cog in the machine to actually owning the whole system. Which brings us to our final and, frankly, most important question. As a busy student, your time is your absolute most precious, scarce resource. The blueprint is right here in front of you. You know the tools, you know the strategies, and you have the exact steps to take. So will you let your heavy class schedule dictate your income and keep you broke? Or will you leverage AI starting today to buy back your time, your focus, and ultimately, your freedom? The choice is entirely yours.